everybody, it's Jeff and Nikki from Nightshade Nook Decor. So we are getting ready to pour some new cutting boards. We are pouring, I don't know what you're using.
Sapphire blue.
Oh, the Pearl X Sapphire Blue. And you're using the Say So Silver Black?
Yep. So the silver black's already mixed. I'm just going to mix now the sapphire blue.
Which we haven't done a blue cutting board in a long time.
Yeah, I know.
That's really sharp blue. I forgot how pretty that was. This is the blue that we did for that spalted maple table, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's very pretty. Got a lot of nice shimmer to it. I thought when we did the spalted maple that you had already mixed the silver black right into the blue to give it that color, if I recall correctly.
I did. This one I'm going to do like the other day when I poured the silver black and have it bubble naturally.
Alrighty. So we are using the wusebond deep pour epoxy, and we already went through the mica powders with Pearl X and Siso. And which board are you pouring? This one over here?
Yeah, the one with the bricks in it.
So he's got a couple. There's a couple pours going to be going on in here today. Plus, we're also pouring some of the signs that I carved out on the CNC router.
And the coasters from last week.
And the coasters. We're doing some stuff today.
Today is going to be a pouring day.
Yes, I don't know if we're going to video all the pours. You know, in a way, I kind of want to video filling those CNC routed signs because I think that'd be neat, but I'd have to put the phone on that thing, whatever it's called, the little phone holder
Tripod.
thing. Tripod.
Three-legged thing.
See, instead of coming up with the name, I just showed the picture. That thing right there.
That thing with 3 legs called a tripod.
Yeah. So the board is already in here. It looks like it's a black walnut slab from Flower City Milling.
Did we remember to tag Tom?
We did not.
Oh.
And it is, I can edit it and tag him. And it is in the exotherm custom design cutting board form. What size is the form?
12 by 24.
I'm not going to say it. There's certain key things that Jeff waits for me to say, like, that's a good size cutting board. And hi, everybody. And I don't know what else. Apparently, I'm just repetitious in my phrases. And he is entertained by that, but I'm not falling for it.
Not falling for it this time.
I'm not. So the 12 by 24 is our standard cutting board form frame, which is why we have 2 of them here. I think this is a really pretty color. I think the last time we did blue was sometime in December.
It's probably been close to a year since we made a blue cutting board.
And I don't know I think our problem was is we just had so many new colors that we wanted to play with them. Which is funny because when we were doing this back then, all we were doing is blue, blue, blue. Or so it seemed. It felt like there was a lot of blue. It's a nice slab. It's got a little jank into it.
Yeah.
Got a little nut hole there that he filled. So as you know, none of our cutting boards are the same. All of them are custom. This is not a custom order. We are just pouring cutting boards. We're trying to just build up some stock. So this will be put on our website in about another week and a half, 2 weeks once it's done. I do have some other items that I do need to add to our website. Our new website is up. It's live. It looks so much nicer. You can custom order cutting boards, cheese boards, coasters. I don't think you can order signs on there yet because I think I wanted to wait until I filled these and then sanded them so that I could have like more, I don't know, detail. I mean,
Oh.
wow. So that was Clancy. I don't know what that was about. So he has the Siso Silver Black.
Silver black.
In his cup now, and he's just going to pour that down the center of the sapphire blue. which sapphire blue is just a really pretty blue color. I'm surprised you didn't use the tropical blue. You just wanted to use this up, didn't you?
Maybe.
Maybe.
I like this color. It's been a while since I used it.
I saw that you emptied the container.
I do have another container.
So he's just going to kind of drizzle this down the center and then let the epoxy do its little churny thing that it does.
It's looking pretty cool too.
It is looking cool. The last time we used these two colors together, we mixed them all together and poured like that, and it made this beautiful dark blue, which still had hues in it. It didn't, like the two colors didn't combine. It still kind of separated out. So I was kind of surprised that you're doing it like this and not doing it that way.
Because I've been kind of doing this lately.
You just wanted to see how this turned out.
I sort of like the way, kind of like the way this is. You can see already it's sort of
kind of bubbling
turtling up. Yeah,
So turtling up, for those of you who don't know our weird little phrases, is when the epoxy just kind of churns on its own. It gives it that tortoiseshell look that we call turtling.
So yeah, this one's pretty cool. It'll, like I said, it'll churn up and it'll do its own thing, and just kind of see how that comes out. And if we like it, we won't mess with it. If we don't like it, then we'll swirl it up.
Alrighty.
But so far, it's kind of neat. We'll see what happens.
So have you chosen the other colors for all the other things you have sitting here that you're going to pour?
No. I was thinking if I had some of this left over, then I would pour a set of coasters with it, but it doesn't look like there'll be any left over.
You know, you could make more.
I can make
and then
more.
there would be more.
Yes, I could make more, and there will be more. But
he knows I like my sets.
For this particular,
I like my matching sets.
For this particular pour, it seems like I estimated the correct amount. So.
All right. Well, I like it. I think it will turn out really cool.
Yeah, I think it'll look neat when it's done.
I like
do
it
have
when
a
we mix
little
it too.
Silver black left, but I'm still waiting for the epoxy to come
around the edges.
So I'll probably wind up pouring the rest of it in.
All right. So are we doing videos on the other ones, or are you just one-offing it?
No, we can definitely video the rest of them. We'll just, obviously we have to mix epoxy and prep for it, so we'll be back.
We'll be back?
We'll
All
be
right,
back.
guys. Well, thank you for watching. Looks like it's going to be another day where we're just slamming you with live videos randomly. So you guys have a great day, and we will talk to you later.